Samsung confirms Galaxy S25 Ultra release dates. Samsung will host its latest Galaxy Unpacked launch event later this month, and the Samsung community will get its first look at the presumptively named Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. When can they expect to see the new handsets? When will pre-orders open? And when will the new One UI-powered Android flagships reach them? When will the Galaxy S25 Ultra be announced? It is widely assumed that Samsung will host the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. This date was first mooted through leaked promotional images of an Italian launch event. The photos, which have since been taken offline, included the date of January 22, 2025. Since then, various tipsters have pushed the January 22nd date. While some have highlighted January 23rd instead, a careful look at the time zones of all the reports points to a morning time slot on the west coast of America on the 22nd. Samsung confirms Galaxy Unpacked dates. Samsung has sent out invites to its next launch event as the doors open to its pavilion at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. The South Korean company has confirmed the next Galaxy Unpacked launch event will take place on January 22nd in San Jose, California. The event will see the next generation of Galaxy AI, which Samsung says will be a more natural and intuitive Galaxy AI that will change the way Galaxy users interact with the world. As part of the invite, Samsung has also confirmed the event will be streamed through the Samsung newsroom, the main Samsung website, and Samsung's YouTube page. Galaxy Unpacked will start at 1 p.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Pacific. How much will the Galaxy S25 Ultra cost? Update, Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. Alongside the launch, pre-order, and availability dates, one of the key pieces of information for consumers will be the cost of all the Galaxy S25 family, including the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The first pricing points are coming through as Samsung updates retailers and networks to the final packages. Android Beat reporter Ishan Agarwal details the latest potential price for the Galaxy S25 512GB model, €1,079. The closest model to this S25 in the current range is probably the Samsung Galaxy S24, with its 8GB of memory and 256GB of storage. That was priced at €960 when launched in January 2024. With every model in the Galaxy S24 family expected to ship with a minimum of 12GB of RAM, you can see that the S25 comes in at €90 more than last year, but with more memory and storage. Will the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra models come with a small price bump alongside a storage and memory bump? That remains to be seen, especially as most of the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra models already shipped with 12,512 options. But this S25 pricing suggests the Ultra's 12,512 option will be in the same ballpark as 2024's €1,570. When will pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 Ultra open? In previous years, the pre-order window for the new Galaxy S handsets has opened at the end of the event, allowing those watching the live stream to sign up immediately. The current information is that pre-orders will launch 2 days after the event, on Friday, January 24th, and remain open until Tuesday, February 4th. If Samsung follows the same pattern as in previous years, the pre-order window will have several offers to encourage consumers to sign up. These have included discounts on accessories, including the Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Buds, a bump up to the next storage level, and web-exclusive colors only available through Samsung's website. When will the Galaxy S25 Ultra go on sale? Following the pre-order window, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, will go on sale on Friday, February 7th. This sticks with Samsung's traditional 2-week gap from the opening of pre-orders to the handsets going on sale in various regions around the world. It remains to be seen if we will see any new features or even the early tease of the fourth Galaxy S25, the special edition. Credits, script by author name, voiceover by voiceover artist name.